Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I am going to show you how to purchase app from Google Play Store with debit card. Before starting this video, you please subscribe my channel. First of all, you have to open your Play Store and search for the app you want to purchase and download. For example, here I have to select anyone which I want to purchase. After that, you have to click on the price of this app. When you click on the price, here you will see the balance of your SIM. If you have balance in your SIM, then you can also purchase through your SIM balance. I don't have balance in my SIM, then I will click on arrow. Here you will see an option, add debit and credit card. You have to click on it. Here you have to enter your card details and make payment. Once you make the payment, you can download this app. In this way you can purchase any app from Play Store. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel. See you in the next video.